And welcome to another round of Chitter Chatter. With the rains outside and the cyclone that has hit, it's better to stay home. Anyways, one had to stay home because of Corona. Now, all the more reason. So, guys, please stay safe and take care. And thank you for joining our live sessions and sending in your requests every time I put up a story. I swear I try to recover as many questions that you all tell me to ask. But kabhi, because of less of time, I lose out on few. But that does not mean that I haven't seen your questions and I don't want to ask them. So keep sending in your questions the moment I put in my stories for my guests. And also keep sending your hearts and chats flowing. Hi Aditya, Kulka Karthik, hello. Abhishek, hello. Neha Mompreneur Life, hi. Hello Bimal. And let's see if Samiksha is here. So let me tell you all about Samiksha before I send her request. I'm sure you all have seen the story, and for the ones who've not seen the story and have just joined in live, Samiksha, you all have seen her in Poster Boys, Calendar Girls, and in a lot of serials. And she's also shot for some OTT show right now. So let's send her a request and get that. Kanika Handa, thank you for the lovely compliment. And Raj Kriti Singh Idol, big fan. I'm sure she'll be happy to hear these comments. So keep these comments going the moment she sends us a request and she joins in. Hey Mitesh, how you doing? Sid Kamath, hi. So Sid Kamath makes these amazing paintings and you'll just see his profile too. He's brilliant when it comes to artwork. I think he keeps motivating me too to do a lot of artwork. Tanisha Zanwar 20, hello. Mukbal Manzoor, which video of mine have you watched and which one have you liked? Okay, I have sent Samiksha a request, but for some reason she's not able to join in. You know how the networks are usually in rains and cyclones. But I've sent her another request. In the meantime, we can keep chatting. Hello, Vishal. Tajendra Goldie Studio. Hi. He called me sad, Aryan. Aryan, why are you so sad? Kanika Handa 97. Shweta, please do web series. Oh, I would love to do the day something really nice comes my way. Looking forward, and hopefully I shall fulfill your request on that too soon. Mitesh says, hey, I'm good, buddy. Happy to see you progress every day. God bless you. Thank you for these lovely wishes, Mitesh. It's these wishes from friends that keeps me going. Rajpreeti Singh, how am I doing? I'm doing really well, and I'm very excited that you all are here. And I don't know why Samiksha is not able to join in. Samiksha, can you send me a request for some reason? I don't know, maybe there's some net issue or something. Kunal R. Khanna says, I'm looking too good. Thank you, Kunal. Hey, Samiksha. Hi.
Hi, Shweta. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm absolutely great by the grace of God. How about you? How's your life?
Very well. Life is doing okay, making the most of this time because jis tarah halat hai, we all are locked, and I think it's the best, whether it is our chit chats or things that we can motivate each other, entertain each other. So yeah, just keeping my
Yes. Same here. I'm just trying to keep myself very, strong and positive, and trying to keep myself busy doing something or other at home because we can't go out. It's it's the kind of situation we all are facing is really difficult.
So Samiksha, before we start with our chit chat, your fans here are here, especially for you, and have come and sent so many questions that I want to ask you. So do you want to tell them something before we get started with our chit chat?
I'm so happy. This is, I think, after a long time, I'm going live and interacting with my fans and my family and everybody. So let's see what kind of questions they want to ask today. Let's see. I'm excited.
So Samiksha, tell me, did you?
And yes, before we start anything, just a second, I just wanted to mention I was reading through your transformation journey, and it was quite impressive. So really nice.
Of you, and thank you for these kind words before we start chit chat. Thank you so.
Thank you. Yes.
So Samiksha, did you always want to be an actress? I know it may sound cliche. ये question आपको बहुत लोगों ने पूछा होगा, but ये question आपके काफी fans ने मेरे को बोला है पूछने के लिए कि did you always want to be an actress or it was like by chance?
So, since I was a kid, I had a very strong desire to become an actor. Very clearly, I wanted to become an actor. I wanted to see myself on silver screen, very directly and very clear. But then I didn't know how. कैसे शुरू करें, कहाँ से शुरू करें, that I had no clue about it. So then with this passion, I shifted to Delhi and was into dance. I was a dance teacher in one of the very reputed school, head of the department, head of the performing arts department. And then everything was good, but there was, kahin tha ki that what I really wanted to do, I am not doing that. I am just doing, dancing, singing. Everything was fine, good money flow, everything was good. But then because I wanted to become an actor, so then one day I thought, let's shift to Mumbai. And then I had to start from the scratch, no clue. अब मुंबई आने के बाद then I was thinking, अब now how to start? कैसे? मतलब I have no idea about it. Then yes, I started giving audition, and audition में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. And from there, lot of failures, success, and all that stuff. You know how it is, how when you are struggling for your desires, your passion, then a lot of failures you have to face. And yes, right now where I am, yes.
So समीक्षा, जैसे आपने ऑडिशंस की बात की, आपको पता नहीं था कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, क्या करना है, एंड हम बहुत सारे ऑडिशंस देते हैं और उसके साथ बहुत सारे रिजेक्शंस भी आते हैं, बिकॉज यू कैन गेट सिलेक्टेड फॉर एवरी ऑडिशन नो मैटर हाउ गुड यू आर, So how did you in the beginning keep yourself strong? Because already आप अपनी city छोड़ के मुंबई आई थी, आप एक न्यू जर्नी शुरू कर रही थी, and you were trying hard with all the auditions. So before you hit your success and you signed your first thing, when you had to go through these rejections during your auditions, how did you keep maintaining your positivity and keep trying them?
So when I started giving my audition, I had no clue, and the kind of failures and rejections इस line में होता है, we never had that because we were like well settled and doing job, earning money, everything was so good. But then yes, I used to feel very low when I didn't know acting. So I was a dancer. I used to be like, I used to perform on stage, but as a dancer, as a classical dancer, also a singer. So I had no fear about stage as such, but then acting I really didn't know. So yes, audition बहुत ही खराब auditions मैंने दिए हैं क्योंकि अगर मैं अब जाके देखूं what kind of audition I used to give, I mean it's pathetic. I don't want to see. So but then that's a journey, and yeah, many times I used to feel like very low कि यार हो नहीं रहा है. I mean all rejections, and what is the reason behind it, why I'm not getting selected for the roles. And sometimes when you give very good audition and you are so confident about it, आपको लगता है यहाँ तो हो ही जाएगा, and then you are waiting for the call कि and then नहीं होता है. So then I always have this feeling, or I try to keep myself motivated कि what is the reason behind it, rather than sitting and thinking that ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. So I always think for the reason and try to channelize the right energy to the right direction. So I was working on my skills. Then I thought ki let's join theater. Then I asked one of my friend who really helped me for the theater to show the way कैसे आपको theater में जाना चाहिए, and you should learn how to perform really. So that theater helped me a lot, and it's because on theater में तो, I mean it's a direct. Correct. Audience are sitting in front of you, and just जो भी reaction है, instant reactions आपको मिलेंगे, whether they're liking, they're not liking, their expressions, everything, it's like very direct. So from there I was like gaining my confidence, and then I was working very hard on myself in terms of my fitness, in terms of how can I keep myself very, very fit, because it's all screen and I'll have to, well, people will see me on screen. So yes, I mean, this is the thing, couple of things I always keep myself motivated rather than just sitting and thinking कि नहीं हो रहा है.
Aarti Singh is here. She's saying hi Samiksha, and मेरी पड़ोसी hi.
Hi.
So आप गाने की बात कर रहे थे, तो यहाँ पे काफी आपके फैंस बोल रहे हैं कि आप एक गाना उनके लिए गा सकती हैं. इसके पहले हम आगे और चिट चैट करेंगे.
Okay, I can definitely sing. Give me a little time to just think of a right song. Till then, we can talk. The moment I'll, I'll get the right song, I will sing.
So, the Veena D Princess Singh, you're a very dedicated person in whatever you do. God bless you. And if we talk about dedication, dance, bolo, everything that we do requires a lot. It was a network issue, and I'm back. So, as we talk about,
Yes.
dedication is required. Whether it is singing, dancing, or even acting for that matter, it's a craft, and you have to keep working on that craft. So, how have you been dedicated, and how do you get disciplined to work on your craft?
I can't hear you properly. Your voice is not coming actually. Something is something. Uh,
Can you hear me
yeah,
now?
yeah, better. Yeah,
I said हम dedication
come
start
again,
कर
please.
रहे हैं, and dedication is something that is required, be it as an actor to work on your craft. As a dancer,
Correct.
to continuously practice your classical moves and everything. Singing again another craft where discipline is required. तो फिलहाल ये लॉकडाउन में आप अपने क्राफ्ट पे कैसे काम कर रहे हैं?
It's actually very simple. 2020 was a shock for everybody, honestly. And उस वक्त we used to think कि अभी ये मतलब this is a situation we have never thought of. ये कैसे हो गया क्या? But then I was like, I mean, this is a time we have to work on our skills जहाँ पे हम lack करते हैं. And if I'm talking about myself, my singing, my dancing, and I am a trained classical dancer, and I've learned classical singing as well. So I practice every day, and that is my, you know, I am very regular about it. It's since beginning when I entered into industry or when I landed to Mumbai. I was. It's like from my parents also. I've learned that whatever you want to learn, I mean, whatever you want to do in your life, you have to be very focused about it. Plus commitment is very important. आप ये नहीं सोच सकते हो कि without practice and just thinking and आप बहुत बड़े स्टार बन जाएंगे और you will become a very good singer or something like that. So your discipline, your commitment, self motivation, all that things are very important. So in lockdown, even 2020 and now also, because सारे काम बंद हैं and सब कुछ hold पे है, nothing is working. So then this is the time we will have to work on ourselves. So even on my Instagram, my followers, everybody, I mean, they can see me doing, whether it is fitness or us, I'm singing, I'm dancing. So I'm very regular about it. And I think that's the way we will have to keep ourselves busy. And this is a kind of my meditation. I call it my meditation because that's the only time when my mind, I mean, it's just stopped, it's just calm and composed when I'm doing my workout or my dance. So that's the only way. I mean, otherwise how will you motivate yourself?
True.
आपको वही काम करना पड़ेगा जहां पर आपको खुशी मिलती है. That's all.
I think I should highlight this कि लॉकडाउन में अगर आपको अपने आप को खुश रखना है, पॉजिटिव रखना है while you're indoors so that your reports don't come positive, please be passionate about what you like and work on that craft, just like she said. And lucky for you says,
Yes.
Like Samiksha, you are the best. Aju says hello. Nikki Chawla, hi, how are you? Yaman Sharma 50 saying, Samiksha ma'am, I'm your biggest fan. Nanny,
Thank you so much. Thank
and
you
of
so
yours,
much.
and yes, and a lot more hearts and people here. Just because I've not taken your name does not mean you all are not important. Please keep the thing going. Okay, so Samika, एक time था जहाँ Kingfisher calendar was like, oh my god, every girl wanted to be on the Kingfisher calendar, and your debut is a movie called Calendar Girls. How was it when you got your movie and you were a part of a calendar girl and all of that? Tell us all about it.
Okay, so I want to share something very interesting on that. So when I was like young kid, I used to watch Madhur Bhandarkar's films and Page 3 and Fashion and all that. Oh, he is one of my favorite directors. So I always wanted to think that maybe one day I will work with him. मुझे नहीं पता कैसे कब कहाँ. I mean, I just wanted to work with him. Actually, same thing happened with Poster Boys also. I'll tell you later. So yeah. So मेरा कहने का ही मतलब है कि किसी चीज को बहुत शिद्दत से चाहो ना तो पूरी कायनात आपको उसको दिलाने के लिए तैयार रहती है.
With the शाहरुख खान डायलॉग कि किसी चीज को अगर
Yeah.
चाहो तो वो मिल ही जाती है.
वो मिल ही जाती है. बस आपका पैशन और आपकी डिजायर आप कितना उसको चाहते हैं. So I started working for TV shows and Veera and couple of more shows, and then this offer for Madhur Bhandarkar's film Calendar Girls, and that's a small cameo. It wasn't a lead, so I thought it is okay. Let me just start with it, and he was
Correct.
very happy with my performance, and he was always used to motivate me that Samiksha, सब चीजें ना धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट होती हैं और वो जो जर्नी होती है उसका जो मजा होता है. आप आज मे बी आप बहुत बड़े एक्टर बन जाएंगे लेकिन आप पीछे अपनी जर्नी देखेंगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. you'll be very satisfied कि आपने कहाँ से शुरू किया था and then now today where are you doing. So that was a small role, and then after that I got Poster Boys. Poster Boy, I was die hard fan of Sunny Deol. And I Ghatak and Ghayal and all that Damini film. I mean, I was like, मुझे ये करना है, काम करना है कैसे भी, है ना. और फिर when I got Poster Boys, not opposite Sunny Deol, but opposite Bobby Deol. So I was so happy that sometime आप चाहो और आपकी उस चाहत में कितना पैशन है, so आपको मिलता है. तो मतलब निराश होने की जैसी कोई जरूरत नहीं होती है. सबके साथ अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं. बहुत सारी अभी अभी मैं अगर कुछ और सोच लूं कि मतलब मुझे इसके साथ काम करना है, बस जरूरी नहीं है मैं करूंगी. बट देन you just keep on thinking big things. big अपने बारे में बड़ा सोचना है, अपने बारे में अच्छा करना है, and just keep going, don't stop. That's my funda.
Wow, it's a very nice funda, and I must tell your fans that, guys, there's no harm dreaming big. Have big dreams, have big goals, work towards it. You never know, universe might just answer it at any point in life. जैसे इनके साथ boys बोलो या तो फिर calendar girls.
Yeah, correct.
So Samiksha, you've also shot something now in the lockdown. जो एक brief period था where the lockdown was open. You've just signed something new and you've shot for it. So is there something that you can tell us right now?
Yes. Yeah. That time also we were about to interact.
Yeah.
And then yeah. So I was doing a web series. I mean, I remember just before we were about to interact. उसके एक दिन पहले ही I got this confirmation about the my web series. So then we had to in the morning only we had to leave for the Goa for this web series. So I did Hi Tauba one episode. It's a one story and very beautiful story. It was about to launch on 14th, but then because some editing part is still left and some patchwork is still left. So maybe next lot people will see me in a very different avatar and very different kind of role.
So the best wishes for
and that's what Alt Balaji.
Your all
Sorry?
के बारे में कहा. Your fans are super excited about it and they are sending best wishes for this new series, which hopefully we all really soon. Pallavi Datta saying, Samiksha, you are superb with a lot of hearts. Oh my God.
Thank you, Pallavi.
Girl, Chunna.ram142892 send a lot of hearts for you. Yilmaz Sebrel 27 is saying Merhaba. Live in the moment 455 is saying nice earrings. Thank you. Okay. Anuj Sharma 013 is saying, ma'am, one dialogue Sunny Deol का अगर आप बोल सकें तो.
Sunny Deol का dialogue. 2.5 किलो. I will have to remember. I mean, याद करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा. But पहले मैं वो पहली वाली फरमाइश पूरी करती हूँ. I want to sing for my audience, for my fan.
चलो शुरू हो जाओ.
Okay. ऐसा क्यों होता है तेरे जाने के बाद, लगता है हाथों में रह गई तेरी हाथ, तू शामिल है मेरे हंसने में रोने में, है क्या कोई कमी मेरे पागल होने में, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा.
That was
Thank you,
good.
thank you.
And while आप गा रहे थे तो hearts तो flow हो ही रहे थे. Ami Love 1451 says nice voice, beautiful hearts, bouquets, superb yaar.
Thanks a lot.
Wow, क्या बात है. Claps have come, वाह वाह, hearts have come, and a lot more is coming, and may it keep flowing your way. Besides that, Samita, इसके पहले हम अपना chitter chatter end करें, एक छोटा सा cute सा game खेलते हैं, because let's have some fun. So the first thing that I say and that comes to your mind, Shah Rukh Khan.
Divana.
Madhur Bhandarkar.
Fantastic director.
Calendar Girls.
My first film.
Poster Boys.
Very close to my heart.
Rajpal Yadav.
Fantastic human being and a great actor. Very hilarious.
Jaco Rakhi Saiya.
Upcoming movie.
Goa.
After lockdown, I would like to go again.
OTT.
OTT is a big support for all the actors and all the projects.
Dance.
My passion.
Singing.
Another passion. Very fond of singing.
Theatre.
Sorry?
Theatre.
Theatre. Real experience.
Chitter chatter.
Love you.
Love you too. So Samita
Shweta Rohira.
just made my day. So
And
Samita,
one more thing.
हाँ बोलिए.
One more thing you forgot. Black Rose. Recently released on Shimarumi. If you haven't watched, you will have to watch now. You have to promise me. And all my fans, it's a beautiful film. Recently released. Go and watch.
We shall do that. अब आपने कहा है तो सब fans और मैं definitely देखेंगे, story पे भी डालेंगे. So guys, do watch it, put it on the story, and also do DM us about it. So आज की Chitter Chatter के बाद आप सब जाने वाले हैं Shimaru.me पे देखने वाले हैं Black Rose, correct?
Yes. Yeah. And it was really, really nice talking to you, Shweta. I mean, I'm really happy connecting with you.
Looking forward for many more projects that you're doing ताकि हम सब के बारे में chitter chatter करें. Best wishes for many more projects on your way, and may you do really well. And keep yourself busy because we are looking forward to see the dance videos, yoga videos, and keep us motivated just the way you're doing.
Very soon, very soon, very soon. Working on it.
Done.
Yeah.
And take care and see you soon.
Thank you. Bye.